Stop playing with him.
Jdavinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So I'm going to be using the Milky Way Shortcut Jerry Curl 3 pieces in the color 613, 2 packages of hair. This really isn't like a full-on tutorial, but if you want to see a full tutorial, let me know by giving this video a big old thumbs up. I was really just documenting the process, but I just literally did a circle at the top, as you guys can see. But this was super easy. I was in a rush. I literally took out those crochet braids that I had just did a tutorial on, and I didn't want to wear my hair like that for Vegas, so I was just like, no, this is a whole vibe. So I was like really in a rush. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial, just give this video a big old thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And yeah, long day of work, total vibes.
Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, that bitch is only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson.